Hi everybody, welcome back to a very chilly workshop, and today's the day we are going to give away the 25,000 subscriber ball. The winner will be chosen at the end of this. At the present I do not know who the winner is, so stick around and you will find out soon. But before we do that, I just wanted to say an enormous thank you to everyone who has helped support the channel. It's been an incredible journey so far. We haven't been going that long, but the support I've been getting and the comments and the likes and the love from you lot has just been absolutely and utterly overwhelming. So thank you all, and I love you all so much. It really is quite incredible. We've got lots of interesting things planned for the channel for the future. I've got more ideas than I have time to do, so we will keep working as hard as we can to keep on bringing you interesting pieces of wood, experimental ideas, and just anything that I think you're going to enjoy. I am going to be doing more resin projects in the near future. I'm very lucky that I was approached by a resin company who wanted to work with me. They'd seen some of my earlier videos and they were interested to see what I could do in the future using their products. So we are going to be testing that. We're going to test out their resin, see how it works, and if it's something which proves good for the channel and good for you, then we shall do it. We've also got another piece of equipment coming, which is brand new to market, so I'm looking forward to receiving that, and again that's going to help us produce some hopefully fairly unique pieces as well. So anyway, in a second I'm going to hand you over to VoiceOver Mike, who will take you through choosing the winner of this piece. But apart from that, thank you all for your support, your wishes, your comments, and everything. I couldn't have done it without you. The next giveaway, I'm not sure. I was going to do one at 30,000, but that's getting fairly close already, so I'm not sure we can do one for 30,000, but we are definitely going to have a huge one for the channel's second birthday, which is on the 16th of March. I want to try and make that as special as I possibly can, so we're going to make a nice piece, but we're also going to try and get lots of other goodies to give away as well. So anyway, thank you very much indeed. I'll hand over to VoiceOver Mike, but apart from that, Merry Christmas, and I wish you all a Happy New Year. Thank you. Okay, we've got a random list picker bit of software here from the internet, and into this we are going to put in the names that have been pre-chosen by another piece of software from the last 8 videos. And these names are Michael Felix B, Judith Stanker, Pam Woods, Donna Green, Ellie Baumgart, David Ratty, Angela, I'll have to take advisement on that one, and Rachel Dre 1057. So all that's left now is, as soon as I hit this button here, we will get the name of the winner at the top. So thank you everybody who's taken part. I'm sorry that we can't put everybody into this list, but we have to choose a winner somehow. So good luck. Ready? 3, 2, 1, click. Donna Green. There we go. Well, congratulations, Donna. If you drop me a line, we will make sure we can get this vase off to you as soon as possible. I very much doubt we'll be able to get it to you before Christmas, but we will get it to you as soon as possible. To everybody else, sorry, it wasn't your time this time, but hopefully next time it could be you. Anyway, thank you very much indeed. That's all from me, and I'll see you next time.